Hi everyone, my name is Z and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a brand new CSGO update that was released literally moments ago. So I'm going to quickly head into CSGO and talk about what the update is, what it does, and if it's even something to be hyped or concerned about. Now, for educational purposes only, I'm going to be showing you how this update doesn't actually mean anything. So, a lot of people are saying this update's amazing, this update is the best, this is the end to cheating, and why that may be potentially true, it's also not true. So essentially what it is today we're shipping changes to CSGO that are part of our continuing fight against cheating. CSGO now significantly restricts the type of programs and files that can interact with the game. By default, players will launch CSGO in trusted mode, which will block third-party files from interacting with the game. This does include Discord as of now, but I'm sure that will get sorted out soon. They'll allow Discord soon. Basically what it means is you can't use the Discord overlay in-game. Other than that, you can use Discord fine. If you would like to play using third-party software that interacts with CSGO, launch with the untrusted launch option. Note that in this case your trust score may be negatively affected. Essentially, you can now run the game in two modes. The untrusted mode, which is going to be riddled with cheaters because they have no idea what to do, and the trusted mode, which should be less easy to cheat. Here's the problem though. I'm going to show you, and this is also a bit of a tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can actually cheat in CSGO. So before it was pretty easy, you'd get your injector, inject, put in your DLL and boom, you've got hacks. Now it's slightly different. What I've realised is, before I was using Process Hacker, right? So in here, Process Hacker. What I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to remove Process Hacker because I don't need it anymore. So I'm going to get rid of that, I don't need these anymore. So, yep, okay, that's deleted, cool. Right, so basically, this is what you need. You need Extreme Injector V3. It has to be V3, and in order for this to even work, you may have to make sure that, if we go in the settings, Windows Defender, right, so if we go on Windows Security or whatever, so as you can see, virus and threat protection has to be turned off. If you don't know how to do this, it's quite easy. Make sure you've got Windows Security or Defender open, click it, scroll down here, and go on virus and threat protection settings. Go to manage settings and make sure it's turned off. I'm not going to turn it back on because I don't want this failing, but make sure it's turned off. Close it. You do not have to restart your PC. Don't restart your PC. If you restart it, threat protection will be turned back on. There's a lot of tutorials out there that tell you to restart your PC. Don't do it. You'll just be in an endless loop. Anyway, so now that you've turned off virus and threat protection, we're going to go into our USB. Make sure you're using a USB, otherwise you'll get a VAC ban. So USB, plug in, and also this is a detailed method of how to do it. I'll also leave this DLL in the description below. I'll leave a link to where you can install it or whatever. So it's a one-tap crack DLL. We are going to be using one-tap crack for this tutorial. I'll also leave a link to where you can install Extreme Injector in the description box, because that I can do. So anyway, let's double click on this. You have to run as an administrator. That's fine. So, right, next what we're going to do is we're going to select, you might have to scroll down, or you can type it in, csgo.exe, this one here, select. Next we need to go to settings. Because of the new update, you have to select manual map. Alright, so usually it would be standard detection, what you need is manual map. Next you need to select stealth inject and press OK. Then go to add DLL, find the DLL you want. I'm going to be using this one-tap crack DLL. I've tried this one, this one crashes a lot, so I'll be using this one. Press open and inject. Do not close it yet. I'm going to go back into CSGO. Remember, still in trusted version. I'm going to press on the console and boom, we're injecting. So, one-tap crack is injecting. Welcome to one-tap crack loader. Now, sometimes it crashes because of the new update. It's a little bit tedious, but if it crashes, just restart your game and try again. But as of now, it looks like it's working fine. I've done this about 3 times to test, and it's only crashed once. As you can see, it says I've got one-tap crack installed. If we go back to the injector, it's injected. You can now close your injector. Don't need it anymore. Next, what you need to do is close this and remove. Did you hear that? Remove your USB. I've removed that, and we can still use cheats. Use insert, and boom, got cheats. I'm going to load my legit bot, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly head into a casual game to prove that this still works. Don't have Prime, but this is on an alternate account. This is just with trusted mode still on, and boom, just going into a game. I don't have a back error. I haven't been booted out of the game. I can still go into the game. I can still cheat. This update isn't very good. It doesn't do a lot. It just means some injectors have been eliminated, but Extreme Injector still works fine. So I'm going to quickly go into a game. I'm going to show you that it works completely fine. And I'm pretty sure most of the people in this game will be legit players as well. So there might be another cheater or another couple of cheaters, but who knows. I don't know if a lot of people know about this method. If they don't, obviously they can watch this video. But yeah, the main point about this video is not only showing that you can still cheat with this update, but that showing you that it works. So yeah, we're just waiting for the game to load in now. Bear with me. I believe it's just taking a while to initialize the world. Here we go. Yeah, it's working now. For a sec I thought my game was going to crash, because that sometimes happens with dodgy DLLs. I am using one-tap crack, and everyone knows that's hella dodgy. But if I join, let's say, terrorists now... Oh, okay, someone's spinning. So this also proves that this update actually has done absolutely fuck all to the game. Yeah, 2 people are spinning. As I thought, this update means nothing. Everyone's all like, oh yay! Oh yay, we're gonna have no more cheaters, woo! No, I'm sorry mate, cheaters are still gonna be in the game. For example, I mean, I've got my alt account which I'll cheat on. Now, what I was planning on doing is, I didn't really want to make my reputation too negative, so this is literally just a tutorial video. Just to show you that this update needs fixing if they want to eliminate cheaters. If you guys want me to create a CSGO cheating channel as a third channel, I can do that, and it will primarily be CSGO cheating. I don't want to make content, too much cheating content on the main account. I just want to show you guys that it still works and that there's a tutorial. Because already there's been a lot of players that I play with that have struggled with the new update. But as you can see, I'm also going to load up my skins. Let's go. Here we go. Got my skin still working. Skinchanger is still working fine. If I go to this, bunny hopping is still easy. Wallhack is working fine. I'm going to turn on Aimbot right now. Right. As you can see, there's a guy spinning here. Turn on Rage just quickly. Okay, but yeah, basically that's just me showing that that cheating still works. You can still rage, you can still do anything you want. Legit bot, the lot, it still all works fine. The game's sort of having a heart attack now, but that's all I wanted to talk about, guys. Thank you for watching. This has been